today I'm going to cut off the spent blooms of the Stokes Aster. Here you can see one that's in full bloom. Here's one that's just recently spent. Here's one that's totally spent. Kind of cool. And I think this is a new bud opening here. And I'm just going to follow the stem of the spent one down to a spot where I think there might be a new flower, making sure not to cut off the one that's blooming now. So I guess that's right here. So I'm going to do that with all of them. This I think is a new bud. Compared to this one that has like the brown in the center. So these two are spent, and this one is spent. But there might be a flower right here, maybe. So I'm going to cut this off so that the energy is put into that spot right there. So these are all spent, but this might produce another flower, so I'm going to cut right there. Another new bud. This one looks like it was eaten a little. And here are some leftovers from a spent flower. Some fuzz. So again, here's another section. All of these are spent. They all stem from this stem. But below it, this looks like there might be a bud right there. So I'm going to cut right above it. This stem has a new bud and a spent bud, so I'm just going to follow this stem to there and cut it right there. Same goes for this. I'm just going to follow this stem here, leaving this one, removing the spent one. New, spent, spent. Now the plant can focus on making new flowers.